Fighting spirit now. When you are done now, coercion, and then I'm a maniac. Yadamasi, Adiamaye. When Tis said Biesica, said 3 times on the road, said Yashayano. And you earlier, bonuses will be a double. Let us by Friday, what's that? Woko could do the coach a card of a catcher movie. By Friday, no be a sack.
You retire here. You retire here. This team is the best. And what there? Asante Kotoko SC. Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko yebesha. Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko yebesha mamo. Asante Kotoko yebesha. Asante Kotoko yebesha ko. Asante nasinka wo afraid I was down. Nana order on him up. Esum jaini nasinka wo.
Out of time, ladies and gentlemen, would like to say a very big thank you to Bethel Logistics, National Lottery Authority, KGL, GCB Bank, Wembley Sports Construction Limited, NHIS, GNPC, Enterprise, Zoomland, World Vision, Azay Paints, Sterling, Beyond the Return, Barclays and Bank, National Petroleum Authority, BCM, and CASA. We see. of the Democracy Cup here at the Accra Sports Stadium. Winners by a 2-1 scoreline. Please make some noise and put your hands together as we welcome Asante Kotoko. Ladies and gentlemen, the Right Honourable Speaker presents the trophy to the captain of the side for emerging the winners. And by this, Asante Kotoko will fly to the United States of America to play DC United. And now we're going to do a countdown from 5 to 0. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0! Congratulations to Asante Kotoko. Thank you, thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to hand over to our guest of honor, the Right Honourable Speaker of Parliament, Right Honourable Asante.
Wanna wait your mukri, that in Nasima wanna da. On Robert Manson, Papa Yara.